Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to remove copper from wire easily. First, gather your tools and ensure a safe workspace. We will cover both manual techniques and the use of specialized equipment. You'll learn how to efficiently prepare various wire types for stripping, maximizing your copper recovery. Let's get started with the basics of preparing your wire for the best results. For manual stripping, a sharp utility knife is essential. Gently score the insulation along the wire's length, being careful not to cut into the copper itself. Once scored, you can often bend the wire to crack the insulation, making it easier to peel away. This method is effective for smaller quantities and various wire gauges, but always prioritize safety with sharp tools. Specialized tools can significantly speed up the process. Automatic wire strippers are fantastic for quickly removing insulation with a single squeeze, adjusting to different wire sizes. Rotary strippers are perfect for round cables, providing a clean, circular cut. For larger projects, a dedicated wire stripping machine can process substantial amounts of wire efficiently, saving you considerable time and effort. Safety is paramount when stripping wire. Always wear protective gloves and eye protection to prevent injuries. Work in a well-lit area on a stable surface to maintain control. To boost efficiency, sort your wires by gauge and type before you begin. This preparation will streamline your process, making copper removal quicker and safer overall. Happy stripping!
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.